You want to count it over?
No, it's fine.
10. And then 5 from Nicholas. So it's a total of 15, right?
Nation Wagwana. Big up on yourself. Respect our manners. Father Rankin. Yeah. Rosa. Big up. Yeah, man, today, guys, we're on the road. And we're looking for persons who was affected by the hurricane. Hurricane Beryl. And I say a big thank you to the donor Keith from the US who sent $70,000, guys. So
bless you, Mr. Keith.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, man, for real. So we're driving through, where was I again, Rankin? Lovers Leap area. Up here, Denise. From yes, man. Look on the house over there, son. Wow. So guys, we're looking, you know, and then we, you know, we're gonna assess. Yeah, man.
Who needs it more?
Yeah, who needs it more, you know. So I decided to give each person $10,000. So we're gonna bless 7 persons. And we're gonna drive around a little bit and see, you know, who can't afford it, you know. And that 10,000 can buy some grocery or whatever it is. Or zinc or whatever it is. Something, alright? It's a help. But yeah, man, I want to say a big thank you to Keith who sent, you know, the cash, alright? Yeah, man, enough love, man. There's, you know, there's a lot of houses around here affected by the hurricane, I can see, you know, but some of these houses are big houses, so, you know, say people them way, you know, yeah, might, yeah. And sometimes it's tough to, you know. Sometimes it's tough to, you know, Rosa.
Yeah.
Can I say?
Tough on the big man, can you imagine how it is on the little ones? Can't afford it.
That's true. That's true.
Some beautiful homes.
Yeah, some nice houses around here.
Nice house, man.
And this way, guys, we are looking. You understand? We're not asking any question. We're looking, and by looking, we can know, you know, the situation. Right, Rosa? Yeah, man. For real. Thanks to Rosa and Rankin here with me. Yeah, man. Rosa really work for money there. Yeah. So Rosa will count it and put it in the envelope when we're gonna give the person, so we all can, you know, see that 10,000 is in the envelopes. Wow. How does it look, Rankin? What is it? Is that
a home?
It looks so.
No, that's a shed.
Huh?
Shed.
That's a shed. What about here, sir? Like a little house.
Is that the ocean?
Wow. Arena so damage most in the Rosa. Yeah, to the sea. What's a person here, Rosa? It's a person at top. They have a buy it, you know, even 2 sheets of zinc. They can't buy it. What do you think?
Let's see if them look like them. Have a container, some foreigner them. Foreign people them there.
Here, sir?
See them have a container?
Yes, sir. Yeah? Come on. Wow. This house looks like you really need a little helping hand. Oh man, I tell you, by looking at the house, by looking at it, man, you can see. Say quick, it's a gun. Alright, I'm just gonna take a look. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, because from up there, I look and I realize that the tarpaulin is on the top. Wow. Wow. See that ranking? Wow. Man.
Wow, funny man.
Wow. Guys, if you guys can help this family, you know.
Mash up down.
Wow. Tarpaulin they have on the top. So definitely I'm definitely gonna leave 10,000 with this person. Whatever I can do. And in the future you never know, maybe they can get some more help. You know.
Sure.
Everything tear down. What's your ranking? Boy, I wouldn't want to be here when it's a star me a blow it. You look devastated. By looking at this. By looking at this. I wouldn't want to be here to experience this.
Man.
Wow.
Tell him, man.
Wow. I hope when when people see the video, then you can do some more and see if we can even get some solid takes and stuff.
Yeah man, anything.
Yeah, me say me have to come on this side, can give the money.
At this side everything?
Yeah, because you know still live close to the sea.
Yeah, this side everything.
Wow. Man, I tarpaulin, me see from way up here,
Oh, you see the tarpaulin?
Me say no, me have to leave something with this family here.
Everything went up, everything.
Everything.
No, you can't walk.
Can't walk, you far.
Far. There. You look near, but it's far.
I want to give her $5,000 as well. From me. Rosa. Yeah. Yeah, man. And so your daughter gone to work, eh?
Yeah, she gone to work. Her husband gone to work.
Yeah. Wow. Man.
Everything mashed up.
Are flowers? These are flowers? Yeah.
Where push them at? You could have planted my ass.
Yeah. Wow, and the rain come again, you know? Yeah, guys, I'm telling you. I said I have to come to this site to come and give away the money. Trust me. And I'm definitely gonna leave. They're trying people. Gone to work same way. You know, even 2 sheets of zinc. Huh? Oh, you plan to deck it? Half of it, yeah. So somebody donate this? Yes. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Rosa, get me something ready because the rain is going to come. I would like to see if we can go around. Give them all. That's really nice. Yes. That's nice. Yeah. I'm gonna give the $5,000 and tell them so they can look at Jamaica Life Nice on YouTube, okay? They will see it. Nice, yeah. Here. Yeah, man, get the 10 and then give.
So it's 15,000. 10 from Nicholas.
5.
5. I'm sorry, 5 from Nicholas, and then 10 from Mr. Keith.
Yes.
Mr. Keith. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You want to count it over?
No, it's fine.
10. And then 5 from Nicholas. So it's a total of 15, right? Okay.
Yeah, man.
5.
We have to help each other, moms.
6,
That's how things
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,000.
Yeah.
Oh, and this one not touch this one here.
Yes, yeah.
So it's for your daughter, okay?
Yes.
When she comes home.
Alright, moms.
Jamaica Life Nice and Mr.
Yeah,
Keith.
man.
Yeah.
Big up yourself here. Alright, enough love. And if we get anything else, I'll carry it for you guys. Alright, enough love. Alright, guys, so it was the best decision to come on this side.
Yeah, man.
Man, yo, me say nothing left there, man.
Look how the rain back up.
That go wet up the whole end of this again. Here, hold this. Boy, I have to give them something, boy. I don't mean I have it.
You see them, but I like to do one.
Yeah, because that doesn't make no
They're not
sense.
sleep in there. She said they sit down on the
Well, that can help to do something. Yes, man.